How to log into Renault Bank online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Renault Bank online banking account. First of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in renaultbankdirect.de. Once you have entered this URL, press the enter button to search for it. This will take you to the official website of Renault Bank. If in case you didn't find this link, you can simply type in Renault Bank in the search bar and then search for it. In the search results below, here you will need to find this www.renaultbankdirect. Once you find this link, you will need to simply click on it and this will take you to the official website of Renault Bank. Here, once you reach to this page, at the top right, you will be able to see this Google Translate. You may select English from here and click on this cross button right here in order to close it. Now after doing that, here at the top right, you will be able to see the login button. Go ahead and click on this login button, and soon after doing that, you will be taken to a new page where you will be able to see the login interface. In this page at the left side, there you will be able to see two different boxes. In the first box, here enter your user ID, and in the second box, here enter your PIN. Make sure to enter it correctly. You may also click on the I button at the right side in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you face any trouble while logging into your account, then you may also click on this link below, which is in German, in order to successfully log into your account. Now after entering all the credentials, now you can simply click on this yellow button right here and then you'll be able to log into your Renault Bank online banking account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Renault Bank online banking account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.